by my order. I will never do such a thing. Now, after my interaction with Dr. Thomas Mapumo, I received a number of calls from Studio 7, which was the platform on which our interaction took place. I had the privilege and honor of getting a call from the Chief Executive Officer. The gist of the conversation was that they wanted to express their sincere apologies for the intolerance that had been expressed through their platform. Now, up to that point, whilst I always did my bit in engaging with the Zimbabwean citizenry through that platform, I still somehow considered them a pirate radio station. I think we know that label. I'm glad to this day we declare that there is no such a thing in our lexicon or in our dictionary called a pirate radio station in the ministry and in our government. So they wrote me an apology. They asked my interlocutor to also communicate an apology, which he did. This is an example of a radio station promoting tolerance and dialogue. Now, radio stations can't stop eccentrics. They can't stop mischief makers. But all you can do is to ensure that the content that's propagated on your platform is one that brings people together, is one that accepts a divergence of views, and is one that also promotes and accepts pluralism as well as diversity. Now, as I said, Dr. Chada spoke at length about tolerance, dialogue, and so forth.